Yeah. Now chapter 5 verse 4. Pas ni chana upor di.
They will not remember the things to tell unto their God, but speak of word of season of his soul. And they are not known the law.
Yes. So similarly, if you check the other verses also, like chapter 4 verse 10, 4 verse 11, and the whole book contains this word order. और चारनी एग्रो चारनी दोस अब आयो वहाँ पार्स पूरा हजिया बसा पर देखे अब बालिक मुंगनी को बार साजाओ. But now, so now God is telling that His people are false. तामै काई तर और सकन आई बिनी परो रखना से न रखन खा बालिक नहीं रख न रखन का सिनाल सुता वाइज नहीं रख सी निसे काई तर से बिनी परो मत बुझों. But the thing we need to notice is that what type of oath they are. Tahu orang sembusina nama ke bonti balik khabara bonti jar balik naik ada literally ori borak kubu ida paham betul da borak apa hai wajah jam kha or is it something else or bake arah kuno alka orth dato. The answer of that is that we find in chapter 5 verse 4. But it's in past ni cara pori ni as uncle read before that. Uncle they will not frame their doings to turn unto their God, for the spirit of ordinances is in the midst of them. Aros hawo je borok bongni klaimarok no hus klaya kaito ni thani kipina bagui henba bongni thani balik mungni phola tongo. Actually it's not that the people of God are literally whoring, but that is their spirit that is that of a whore. Or je sudu borok soy baligi tong wak ko kya tan ka abun islay kono bongni phola se balik mungni phola. Because the people of God who are called as the bride of Christ, who are the bride of God, they don't love God. Tamni ke je borok no kaito ni krinya ni hinza go mothano a borok se a kaito no mane Kristo no sa hamzagya, because outwardly they are married to Christ because they are the church, they are the people of God. Saka ang borok Kristo ay kaija Kristo ni bihik hanzak na hai Kristo ni motha. But if you check inside, they are whoring with their idols. Into kaham ka nai ke borok ni mangtang bong niya murti ro kai si borok baligi jong. And their true love is not Christ. Bong ni kubui hamzak mani abo Kristo ya. Anyway, pastor also asks us to imagine that what if our own partner, the one whom we love, is a God? Aman pastor sunga sungu wan sungu nyai nor ni hamzak mani borok nini busai ba bihik bose balik khangge nang bahai matong no. Or the person was a whore, then God told you to go and marry her or him. Eba kan no khoroksa balik nai bai sikai jati ni dagi the nang bahai matong no. It's quite disturbing even to imagine such things about our partners. Amage senchini logi songrong na te aba hai wan sunga pan sumusungla. But this was true. This was true for God and for his servant Hosea too. Kintu abang bain na de wan sunga de Hosea there no ante siklai ni sao. And such was the truth also for God. Abang bain kaito ni puskang go borok no kaito ko anti kino lugi to mong no. Because for God who loved his people so much, yet they were a whore. Amin ke kaito bini borok na aska hamzaka haipon bini borok bini thanini baligisto babai kujutonya. This book also mentions uses the word treachery. Tai of sabo pemani khlaimani kok use use one verse we can see is in chapter 5 verse 7. Pas ni sat chapter 5 ni 7 on ID. Uncle? Yes. So as it uses the word treacherously. Oza này thì oza ga bemani beman kasamung tangkan mano tinai sijak. So like what's the real meaning of the word treacherous? Oza ga je bemani klayu mani obani ortho tama nito. In English, the real meaning of this particular word is that in a way biting the hands of the one that feed you. Okok tiny bumung okok tiny orthonung busina tanggang ge abo jemon je yak nona samung tu bisarwo ayak nona nung wari payu nene hian mahai. Suppose you have a small kid, you have a small child. Romdi nini besat sikon cerai sikon de tong, and you want to feed him or her. Nung bonot sar na musung because he is not able yet. Tam ni ko bosang sajung kuri chai mea ko abon bagin ning bono kuri tu bicar na musung. But whenever you feed him, he bites your hand. Gitu nung bono mai tu gurung romdi boni ni yak warisiru. So how will you feel? Nung bahai matong no. Will you want to feed him or her again? Nung bono tay wai satu bicar na musung no. And it's like you feeding your dog or like pastor says, like people feed the monkeys. Baksa borok mekharang mesaru. You go to feed them, they will bite your hand. Am mekharang no nung tu bicar na nai ke am mekharani ni yak sewari ro nai. But God actually suffered the biting of his hand for such a long time. Apana kai terle asuk bini borok bai asuk bisiromui bini yak warzak mangsa phaisu. That he actually he brought them out. He showed mercy to them. He was merciful. But the people went whoring again and again. Kaitor bong na khairokka, bong na tubuka, bong na naikolka, haipana se, borok paligui kaitor by chalmans tango pin borok. And that's the treacherous nature of his people. Awan bagay na naide, kaitor ni borok busuka bemani khaito. And that's why God sends a warning to the prophet Hosea. Awan bagay na Hosea ni bisinti Hosea diari ni bisinti kaitor warning roh. Because if we check then prophet Hosea is also the first prophet who foretold the judgment of Israel, that is the Assyrian captivity. Now ekdi ite kaham ka nai ke Hosea se puila diari je Israel jati ro Assyrian ro pai romitlang thang nai himano tui nai puila of diari sanai Hosea. Now again, how is this judgment declared? All judgment bahai ke bos saklai kya? You see, it's in verse 4 to 9, and it's through the children of Hosea. Chapter 1, verse 4 to 9. Hosea ek ni char ni simi noi mana ni sengat no anya bagai. Yeah. Verse 5 also.
And it shall come to pass at that day that I break the bow of the valley of Jezreel.
So actually God used like in the like significance through Jezreel. Or tamo Jezreel umung ni bisinte kaitor kaisa kok diari tu kaisa orthotik laia. That God will cause to seize the kingdom of the house of Israel. Batam sakaze kaitor Israel hano ses khai paisnai mane paitha bathagri paisnai pairi paisnai, meaning that Israel will be destroyed. Auna tangkaze Israel dong songnai mani. And this was also the first warning. Avana puila warning. But then another child was born unto Hosea. Avan pore Hosea tai masa samanjao ka. And that we see in verse 6 and 7. Abas hoy by sa. 6 to 9. Read 6 to 9. Yeah.
And he conceived again and had a daughter, and God said unto him, all the name Ronihama, for I will no more have mercy upon the house of Israel, but I will utterly take them away. But I will have mercy upon the house of Judah, save them by the blood of God and
hama.
For one, they had two. And the other shot. They said, God, Father, today, blow me. For the, not my me. And I will not be your God.
Thank you. So in total we see that there are 3 children. Oza pun tam nuk na ke Hoshea korok tam besaman man. So what we see is that the measure of the judgment is gradually increasing with the birth of each child. So oza tam nuk ngan ke besa asai re je besani ko umung ni bisinte kai ka spragna mani abatte ko korang re. And ultimately with the birth of the third child, it's the warning of God that God will disown them. Abagai 3 number besa asai kurke kai ka saka je norok na ang yakari shirishnai nor nani besa liya ni se kai ka saklaireka. And it was of course this is a book of prophecy, but this was also a warning of God that if they don't repent, then ultimately there will be destruction, there will be judgments. Almost sudah kayak di kai tu ni biari, tak kisah di kok biari, tak kisah di ke, almost kaisa kai tu ni warning hai po, rata makler mah hai po, je norok hak dipilih ke, nang yakari rishnai, because they were foreign spiritually. Tam ke poro adhatik babe balik lai jongkha. They had all their idols inside their heart. Bong ni pekawa murti sekebang ma. And like what's the definition of even of idolatry in the context of the New Testament church? Apa na semai ketal ni konteks na nanya tangke murti puja khlayu man tama bo semai ketal ni borok bahaki murti puja khlay. Is prioritizing anything above God. Abong kan je kuno maninyo kai to ni sai bisi kebang nanzaku ke amzaku ke abon nini mantang abon nini murti. And that form of idolatry, despite receiving the mercies of God, is outright whoredom. Abon bagai kai to ni khair man mani pore hamzaga man pore suno ama hai kese kebang ma bukharo ama hai murti tui tongmani aba asole tai kunuya amtamo mala aba phang ke sing saimano abong kha balik mungsi. And even after the warnings of the whoredom, yet the unwillingness to repent is whoredom and treachery. Maka aboni pore nang wan sunai di sudah balik khabuya balik mani ulo ya ulo kha kipil khasam se kipil yaku nang ke apurung ke nang be mani mak laikya. But how was this whore to whom Hosea married? Nang tabuk je balik nai sigle bahai je borok na kai Hosea kai jakha. And remember this whore actually represents the people of God. O jaga je Hosea kai jakmani burui ekdike dike kai to ni borok ni swarup se kai to ni borok ni chehra hai. Actually later in the verse she runs away from Hosea. Since Haimano ulo was actually Hosea by kage kharikam. So just imagine the unthankfulness of this woman. Amana obrei busake naidi hambai sirna ringia bo. Bona ama ki kaijak tu mase bo ya karis thangku balik kaijak. She was a whore. Am nike bo expo yo balik naisa. Can you imagine anyone coming to her for the proposal of marriage? Nung wan sunai di korok sa balik naijak burinyo ke bo kaijak ang bai kaijak di ni propose the kanya antuzui normally that to the servants of God himself. Abo bo Hosea hai kai to ni selengse boro kun dino balik naijak burinyo ang bai kaijak di ni propose the kanya because it is even to add more on it is also during the Old Testament times. Tai se obas mai kasamni jugni kok salai dongse. It and for the servants of God, for the priests of God to get into such marriage is really unseemly. It never happens. Abang bagina naidi oma hairong na sungwan sugi nyai ke kai to ni seleng ro hamti mang na ni bas mai kasamni kok nai ke oporo mane God hogya hai obo is inya normally aba hai is inya. Yet this woman was bestowed with such a great honor. Hai pana se naigi obrinyo borom khlaye asake kai to ni seleng se kono kaijak and yet she runs away. Hyperless book Karitango. So that's God. So what does she deserve now? Ninge ball tam money masang kabo.